Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the washer, bottle and pump on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. So the problem that I have is that I'm not getting anything from the washer pump. So as I said before, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace that, and we're also going to be removing the washer bottle. We have to clean that out just to make sure that it's not the dirt that caused this fault. First, we're gonna check out the fuse, and on Alfa Romeo Giulietta, that fuse is located under the dash, and it is F43, which is gonna be this one right here. Alright, now let's check it out right here, and that fuse is gonna be this 20 amp one. Now, I don't know how well can you see it on the camera, but this fuse is gonna be good. So what this tells me is that we either have a problem with the washer pump or maybe with wiring. I'm gonna start by removing this hose right here so you can see that it's clipped in. So I'm just gonna pull it from there, and I'm just gonna pull it out of the washer bottle. Alright, so I jacked up the front left wheel. Now I'm gonna remove the lug nuts. Now to get to our washer bottle, we have to remove our inner fender liner, at least partially, and to do that I'm gonna remove these 7 Phillips screws. And I'm also gonna have to remove one Torx screw, which is located beneath right here. Now I'm just gonna take the liner and I'm gonna move it over so we got some room. Alright, so here's our washer bottle, and this right here is going to be our washer pump. Now our washer bottle is held in place with two 10mm nuts, so there's one right there, and the second one is going to be located right there. Now before I start messing with anything, I just want to make sure that I'm getting the power to this little pump right here, and to do that I'm gonna undo this connector. So as you can see, we got these two metal clips on each side, so I'm gonna press them in and pull the connector up. Next I'm just gonna take my multimeter and I'm gonna put the probes right here, and now we're gonna see if we're gonna get the voltage right there when I try to activate the washer. And as you could have seen, we got our 12 volts right there, which means that all of the installation, fuses and everything else is fine besides the pump itself. Now to remove the pump, I'm just gonna push it up. There it is. I'm gonna remove these two hoses. There it is. Next I'm gonna move on to those two 10mm nuts. And now I can just pull the washer bottle out. Alright, now here's our washer tank, all nice and clean. Make sure to clean all of the dirt around this area. This is usually where most of the stuff will accumulate. Make sure that you inspect the inside as well. If you have any dirt inside, that could again cause the washer pump to fail, so just make sure that everything is nice and clean. Alright, now it's time to put the bottle back in. Now you can see how rusty this thread is right here, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of grease on it, so in case I have to remove the bottle in the future, the nut will not seize. Alright, time to put in the replacement washer pump. Now I had this one laying around. Next I'm gonna fill up the washer fluid, and we're gonna see if the problem is fixed. Now the moment of truth. Let's see if our washer works. And as you can see, everything works perfectly. So again, I'm gonna say it one more time. Make sure to wash that washer bottle thoroughly. Any dirt that's accumulated in there has the potential to ruin your new pump. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it interesting and useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Alfa.